Hello everyone. Today we are going to study enzymes. Here are some important questions related to different enzymes. Exam. Question 1. What are enzymes and how do they function in biological system? Answer. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions in living organisms by lowering the activation energy. They function by binding to specific substrates at their active site, forming an enzyme substrate complex, which facilitate the conversion of substrates into products. Question 2. Describe the difference between a coenzyme and a cofactor. Answer. A coenzyme is an organic non-protein molecule that binds to an enzyme and is essential for its activity. A cofactor, on the other hand, can be either an organic molecule called coenzyme or an inorganic ion that is required for enzyme activity. Coenzymes often function as carriers for chemical groups or electrons. Question number 3. Explain the Michaelis-Menten equation and its significance. Answer. The Michaelis-Menten equation describes the rate of enzymatic reaction by relating the reaction rate to the substrate concentration. It is given by V equals to Vmax S upon Km plus S, where Vmax is the maximum reaction rate and Km is the Michaelis constant, indicating the substrate concentration at which the reaction rate is half of Vmax. It is significant because it helps in understanding enzyme kinetics and the affinity of the enzyme for its substrate. Question number 4. What is allosteric regulation of enzymes? Answer. Allosteric regulation involves the binding of an effector molecule at a site other than the enzyme's active site, called the allosteric site. This binding can either inhibit or activate the enzyme by causing conformational changes that affect the active site's ability to bind substrate. Question number 5. Differentiate between competitive and non-competitive inhibition. Answer. In competitive inhibition, an inhibitor competes with the substrate for binding to the active site of the enzyme, which can be overcome by increasing substrate concentration. In non-competitive inhibition, the inhibitor binds to a site other than the active site, leading to a change in enzyme conformation, reducing its activity regardless of substrate concentration. Question number 6. What is the significance of the Landweber book plot in enzyme kinetics? Answer. The Landweber book plot is double reciprocal graph of the Michaelis-Menten equation. It is used to determine important kinetic parameters such as Vmax and Km by linearizing the hyperbolic curve of the Michaelis-Menten equation. The intercepts on the axis provide values for 1 upon Vmax and negative 1 upon Km. Question number 7. Explain the role of metal ions in enzyme catalysis. Answer. Metal ions as cofactors play crucial roles in enzyme catalysis by stabilizing negative charges on substrates, participating in redox reactions, acting as Lewis acids, and facilitating the correct orientation of the substrate or the enzyme. Question number 8. Describe the concept of enzyme specificity. Answer. Enzyme specificity refers to the ability of an enzyme to select a particular substrate from a group of similar molecules. This specificity is determined by the enzyme's active site, which is complementary in shape, charge, and hydrophobic or hydrophilic characteristics to the substrate. Question number 9. What is the induced fit model of enzyme action? Answer. The induced fit model suggests that the enzyme active site is flexible and changes shape when the substrate binds to it. This conformational changes enhances the fit between the enzyme and substrate, thereby facilitating the catalytic reaction. Question number 10. Discuss the role of enzymes in metabolic pathways. Answer. Enzymes play a central role in metabolic pathways by catalyzing specific reactions that are part of a sequence of biochemical reactions. Each enzyme in a pathway is responsible for a particular step, ensuring that the pathway proceeds efficiently and in a controlled manner, allowing for regulation and integration of various metabolic processes. Question number 11. What is the role of feedback inhibition in regulating enzyme activity? Answer. Feedback inhibition is a regulatory mechanism in which the end product of a metabolic pathway inhibits an enzyme involved early in the pathway. This prevents the overproduction of the end product and conserves resources by shutting down the pathway when the product is abundant. Question 12. Describe how enzyme activity can be modulated by changes in pH and temperature. Answer. Enzyme activity is highly dependent on pH and temperature. Each enzyme has an optimal pH and temperature at which it functions most efficiently. Deviations from these optimal conditions can lead to denaturation, altering the enzyme's structure and active site, thereby reducing or inhibiting its activity. Question number 13. What is the role of chaperone proteins in enzyme folding? Answer. Chaperone proteins assist in the correct folding of enzymes and other proteins. They prevent misfolding and aggregation, especially under stress conditions such as heat shock, ensuring that enzymes maintain their functional conformations necessary for catalytic activity. Question 14. Explain the concept of enzyme turnover number. Answer. The turnover number is the number of substrate molecules converted to product per enzyme molecule per unit time. When the enzyme is fully saturated with substrate, it is a measure of the catalytic efficiency of an enzyme. Question 15. Discuss the significance of zymogens in enzyme regulation. Answer. Zymogens or proenzymes are inactive enzyme precursors that require a biochemical change, such as cleavage of a peptide bond, to become active enzymes. This mechanism allows for the regulation of enzyme activity, preventing premature or inappropriate enzymatic reactions. Question number 16. What are isoenzymes and why are they important? Answer. Isoenzymes or isozymes are the different forms of an enzyme that catalyze the same reaction but differ in amino acid sequence, kinetic properties, or regulatory features. They allow for fine-tuned regulation of metabolic pathway in different tissues or developmental stages. Question 17. Describe the role of kinases in enzyme regulation. Kinases are enzymes that catalyze the transfer of phosphate group from ATP to specific substrates, usually proteins. Phosphorylation by kinases can activate or deactivate enzymes, thereby regulating their activity in various signaling and metabolic pathways. Question number 18. Explain the significance of enzyme substrate complex formation. Answer. The formation of the enzyme substrate complex is a crucial step in catalysis, as it brings the substrate into close proximity and proper orientation with the active site, facilitating the chemical reaction. This complex lowers the activation energy required for the reaction to proceed. Question number 19. What is enzyme cooperativity and how does it affect enzyme kinetics? Answer. Enzyme cooperativity occurs when the binding of a substrate to one active site on a multi subunit enzymes affect the binding affinity of other active sites. Positive cooperativity results in an increased affinity while negative cooperativity decreases it. This leads to a sigmoidal S-shaped curve in enzyme kinetics rather than the typical hyperbolic curve. Last question. How do irreversible inhibitors differ from reversible inhibitors? Answer. Irreversible inhibitors form covalent bonds with the enzyme, permanently inactivating it. Reversible inhibitors, on the other hand, bind non-covalently and can dissociate from the enzyme, allowing the enzymes to regain activity once the inhibitor is removed.